Hello guys, welcome back in this video. Today I'm going to share with you another faucet website. You can claim your free Solana from that website. First of all, go to deposit, copy your Solana wallet orders from here and come down. This is your Solana wallet orders, copy it and come in this website. This website pay you 150 to 300 Satoshi every 2 minutes. First of all, put your Solana wallet orders in here. Then come down, click login. After clicking login, solve this captcha in the top. It's too easy. Just solve the step by step. Type this words and select the words. Sorry, and then solve the each captcha is a living room. You just click the living room available in this picture. And after clicking living room, you can easily solve the captcha. You can see I verified and just click verify captcha. And you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay, go to overview and come down. And you can see I received 200 Satoshi of Solana instantly to my faucetpay. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.